Dry Automate Online Training. Overview of Dry Automate: Understanding the core features and capabilities. Dry Automate is an intelligent automation solution designed to streamline and optimize IT operations by automating repetitive tasks and processes across various IT environments. The platform uses AI-driven capabilities to enhance decision-making, improve productivity, and reduce operational costs. Here's an overview of its core features and capabilities. 1. AI-driven automation. Cognitive automation. Dry Automate leverages machine learning, ML, and natural language processing, NLP, to understand complex workflows, making it more adaptable to dynamic environments. Predictive analytics. The platform can forecast potential issues and proactively resolve them by identifying patterns and anomalies in data. 2. End-to-end automation. Task automation automates routine, manual tasks such as system monitoring, reporting, and ticketing, allowing IT teams to focus on more strategic activities. Business process automation. Dry Automate integrates with business applications to automate entire workflows, ensuring alignment with business objectives. Self-healing. It can automatically detect failures and perform self-healing actions without human intervention. 3. Integration with ITSM tools. iAutomate integrates with leading IT service management (ITSM) platforms like ServiceNow, enabling seamless coordination between automation tasks and incident management. It automates service desk processes, ticket routing, and response management, improving efficiency and reducing resolution times. 4. Intelligent orchestration. Multi-platform support. iAutomate can interact with various platforms, applications, and tools, cloud, on-premise, and hybrid environments, providing flexibility in orchestrating complex IT processes. API integration. It allows integration with third-party services and systems, enabling the automation of tasks across diverse ecosystems. 5. Scalability and flexibility. Elastic scalability. The platform can scale horizontally and vertically to meet the evolving needs of large enterprises. Customization. Users can define custom workflows and automation scenarios that fit their unique business requirements. 6. Robust reporting and analytics. Real-time monitoring provides visibility into ongoing automated processes, offering real-time status updates and detailed performance metrics. Analytics dashboards offers data-driven insights into operational efficiency, process bottlenecks, and automation impact, allowing businesses to optimize their strategies. 7. User-friendly interface. Low-code, no-code automation. The platform features a low-code interface that enables business users and IT staff to design automation workflows without deep coding expertise. Drag-and-drop functionality simplifies the process of building and managing automation workflows using a visual interface. 8. Compliance and security. Regulatory compliance helps organizations adhere to industry regulations and compliance standards by automating compliance-related tasks and providing audit trails. Security features ensures that automation processes are secure, protecting sensitive data and reducing the risk of human error. Implementing Dry Automate for IT process automation, a step-by-step guide. Implementing DRICE iAutomate for IT process automation, ITPA, involves several strategic steps to optimize and automate IT workflows. DRICE iAutomate is designed to enhance operational efficiency by automating routine and complex tasks. Below is a step-by-step guide for implementing DRICE iAutomate. 1. Define objectives and scope. Identify business goals. Understand the specific business needs, such as reducing manual intervention, improving efficiency, or minimizing errors. Select use cases. Identify the IT processes you want to automate. Example, service desk requests, incident management, provisioning, or patching. 2. Assessment and planning. Current state assessment. Evaluate existing workflows, tools, and processes. Identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement. Create a roadmap. Develop a detailed implementation plan with timelines, milestones, and resource allocation. Stakeholder engagement. Involve key stakeholders, example, IT operations, service management teams, business leaders, to align objectives and ensure success. 3. Set up the DRICE iAutomate platform. Install and configure the platform. DRICE iAutomate can be deployed on-premises or in the cloud. Follow the installation guide for the specific deployment type, cloud or on-prem. Integrate with existing systems. Ensure integration with existing IT systems such as ServiceNow, ITSM, CMDB, and other IT tools. Configure ITSM and service management. Set up the integration with IT service management, ITSM, tools like ServiceNow to automate ticket management, incidents, and service requests. 4. Design automation workflows. Map IT processes. Analyze the identified processes and design workflows within iAutomate. This includes defining triggers, actions, and automation steps. Use pre-built templates. DRICE iAutomate provides out-of-the-box templates for common IT tasks like patch management, backup automation, and incident resolution. You can customize these templates based on your specific requirements. Create custom automation scripts. For unique tasks, create custom scripts or workflows tailored to your environment. Set approval processes. Define which automation tasks require approval, example, critical system changes, and configure the workflow accordingly. 5. Testing and validation. Run test automation. Before going live, test all automated workflows in a sandbox or staging environment. Validate automation. Confirm that the automation executes as intended, performs successfully, and integrates well with existing IT systems. Identify edge cases. Test for exceptions and edge cases to ensure smooth automation, and configure fallback processes if necessary. 6. Training and knowledge transfer. Training for IT teams. Ensure that your IT operations and support teams are trained on the iAutomate platform, how to manage the workflows, and how to handle exceptions. Create knowledge documentation. Provide documentation on the automation workflows, troubleshooting guidelines, and best practices. 7. Deploy automation in production. Go live. Once testing is successful and training is complete, move the automation workflows into the production environment. Monitor performance. Use built-in analytics to monitor the success and performance of automation tasks. check for any failures or delays and address them. Iterate and improve, collect feedback from stakeholders and make continuous improvements to the automation workflows. How DRICE iAutomate enhances operational efficiency? Key benefits for organizations. DRICE iAutomate is an advanced automation platform designed to enhance operational efficiency for organizations by streamlining business processes and reducing manual intervention. It utilizes artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation technologies to improve productivity and decision-making. Here are the key benefits that DRICE iAutomate offers to organizations. 1. Intelligent automation. AI-driven automation. iAutomate leverages AI and machine learning to automate complex workflows and decision-making processes. This leads to more accurate and efficient operations. Cognitive automation. It enables the automation of tasks that traditionally require human cognition, such as data extraction, interpretation, and decision-making, which enhances overall efficiency. 2. Cost reduction. Lower operational costs. By automating repetitive tasks, organizations can reduce the need for manual labor and reduce operational costs significantly. Optimized resource allocation. Automation allows employees to focus on higher value tasks, leading to better resource utilization and cost management. 3. Improved productivity. Faster task execution. Automation ensures that routine tasks are completed faster and with fewer errors, leading to enhanced productivity. 24/7 operations. Since automated processes can run without human intervention, businesses can ensure continuous operations around the clock, increasing throughput and service delivery. 4. Enhanced accuracy and reduced errors. Error reduction. Automation minimizes human errors that occur due to fatigue, oversight, or misjudgment. This leads to more consistent and reliable outcomes. Data integrity. Automated processes ensure better data accuracy by handling tasks like data entry and validation more effectively than manual methods. 5. Faster decision-making. Real-time insights. DRICE iAutomate can process data in real time, providing immediate insights for better and faster decision-making. Predictive analytics. The platform uses AI-driven predictive analytics to forecast outcomes, enabling proactive decisions and preventing potential issues before they arise. 6. Scalability and flexibility. Easily scalable. Organizations can scale their automation processes without significantly increasing operational costs or complexity. Adaptability to change. DRICE iAutomate adapts to evolving business needs and can integrate with various existing systems, ensuring flexibility in operations. 7. Improved customer experience. Faster response times. By automating customer service processes, iAutomate helps organizations respond to customer inquiries and resolve issues more quickly, leading to improved customer satisfaction. Personalized services. The platform can help automate customer data analysis, enabling businesses to offer more personalized services. 8. Enhance compliance and risk management. Compliance automation. DRICE iAutomate helps ensure adherence to regulatory requirements by automating compliance-related tasks and maintaining audit trails. Risk mitigation. Automation minimizes human errors, which can often lead to compliance violations or risk exposure. AI-driven automation with DRICE iAutomate, leveraging machine learning for smarter operations. AI-driven automation with DRICE iAutomate, leveraging machine learning for smarter operations. DRICE iAutomate is an advanced AI-driven automation platform designed to streamline IT operations, enhance efficiency, and reduce costs by leveraging machine learning and artificial intelligence. The solution automates complex business processes across various domains, using intelligent decision-making models to deliver enhanced business outcomes. Here's how DRICE iAutomate utilizes machine learning to drive smarter operations. 1. Predictive analytics for proactive issue resolution. Machine learning (ML) models iAutomate leverages predictive analytics powered by machine learning to foresee potential disruptions or inefficiencies in the system before they occur. Automation of remediation. Based on these predictions, iAutomate can automatically trigger corrective actions, reducing downtime and increasing operational efficiency without human intervention. 2. Intelligent workflow automation. Dynamic process automation. iAutomate uses AI to continuously optimize workflows, making real-time adjustments based on changing conditions or business priorities. Context-aware automation. By learning from historical data, the system adapts to user behavior and usage patterns, offering intelligent workflows that evolve as operational needs change. 3. Self-learning algorithms. Adaptive models. The self-learning capabilities of the platform help it improve over time by identifying trends and patterns. This leads to more accurate decisions and enhanced performance. Data-driven insights. The system continuously processes large volumes of data, learning from it to enhance automation quality and make more informed, data-driven decisions. 4. Autonomous IT operations. Autonomous task execution. Through AI and ML, iAutomate automates routine IT tasks, such as system updates, patching, and resource allocation, without human intervention. Smart resource management. Machine learning algorithms can automatically allocate resources based on workload demands, optimizing IT infrastructure usage. 5. Enhanced decision-making. Cognitive insights. DRICE iAutomate analyzes vast amounts of data and provides cognitive insights to IT teams, enabling smarter, data-backed decision-making in complex environments. Root cause analysis. The platform uses AI to conduct root cause analysis by understanding underlying issues that lead to system failures or inefficiencies, allowing for faster resolutions. 6. Automation of end-to-end business processes. Cross-functional automation. By integrating with various enterprise applications, DRICE iAutomate extends its capabilities beyond IT, automating end-to-end business processes, from service delivery to customer support, HR operations, and finance. Orchestration across teams. iAutomate ensures seamless orchestration across different departments by breaking down silos and fostering collaboration through automated workflows. Customizing workflows in DRICE iAutomate, tailoring automation to business needs. Customizing workflows in DRICE iAutomate, tailoring automation to business needs. DRICE iAutomate is an intelligent automation platform that helps businesses streamline and automate their IT operations and processes. Customizing workflows in iAutomate allows organizations to tailor automation to specific business requirements, improving efficiency, reducing human error, and aligning IT functions with organizational goals. Here's how you can customize workflows in DRICE iAutomate to meet business needs. 1. Understanding the business process. Process identification. Before customizing workflows, it's important to map out the key business processes you want to automate. These could include incident management, change management, service requests, or more complex cross-functional processes. Prioritization. Identify which processes will deliver the most value when automated. Business-critical processes should be prioritized to maximize return on investment. 2. Configuring workflows. Drag-and-drop interface. DRICE iAutomate provides an intuitive interface that allows users to design workflows using a drag-and-drop model. This makes it easier for business users to create customized workflows without needing deep technical expertise. Action blocks. You can customize workflows by defining actions such as approvals, notifications, integrations with external systems, and more. These blocks are customized to fit the specific requirements of each business process. 3. Incorporating business rules and logic. Rule definition. Implement business rules that define how the system should behave in different situations. For example, you can set rules to automatically escalate tickets based on priority, or automatically route tasks to different teams depending on the type of service request. Conditional logic. Use conditional workflows to ensure that the automation behaves dynamically based on specific conditions. For example, if the user request requires a higher level of approval, the workflow can automatically trigger an approval chain. 4. Integrating with existing systems. Third-party integrations. DRICE iAutomate supports integration with a wide range of third-party applications, from IT service management (ITSM) tools like ServiceNow to enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems. Customizing workflows often requires incorporating these systems to ensure seamless data flow and process execution. APIs and webhooks. If your business processes involve custom systems or platforms, DRICE iAutomate offers flexible integration capabilities using APIs and webhooks. This ensures the workflow can trigger external applications and handle complex cross-system tasks. 5. Monitoring and optimization. Analytics and reporting. DRICE iAutomate provides built-in analytics and reporting tools to monitor workflow performance. This enables businesses to track automation efficiency, identify bottlenecks, and optimize workflows for better outcomes. Continuous improvement. Based on insights from the reports, workflows can be continuously refined. Over time, adjustments can be made to adapt to changing business requirements, evolving technologies, or emerging challenges. 6. Handling exceptions. Exception management. Not all processes will go smoothly all the time, and custom workflows in iAutomate need to include provisions for handling exceptions. For example, if an automated action fails, the system can trigger an alert or request manual intervention, ensuring no process gets stalled. Retry mechanisms. Customize workflows to automatically retry failed tasks or set up alternative paths to ensure business continuity. Integrating DRICE iAutomate with other enterprise systems, best practices. Integrating DRICE iAutomate with other enterprise systems involves ensuring smooth workflows between automation processes and existing business applications. DRICE iAutomate is an intelligent automation platform that supports process automation, AI, ML-driven workflows, and orchestration. When integrating it with other enterprise systems like ERP, CRM, ITSM, or HRMS, here are best practices to consider. 1. Understand the integration scope and requirements. Assess business processes. Before integrating, map out the processes you want to automate and identify systems that need to interface with iAutomate. Identify key systems. Common systems to integrate include ERP, example SAP, CRM, example Salesforce, ITSM, example ServiceNow, HRMS, example Workday, and databases. Define objectives. Establish clear objectives for automation such as cost reduction, faster service delivery, or improved customer satisfaction. 2. Use APIs and web services. Leverage RESTful APIs. DRICE iAutomate provides connectors and APIs to integrate with various enterprise systems. REST APIs are commonly used for communication between iAutomate and external systems. Enable web services. Ensure that the systems you are integrating with expose web services or APIs that can be easily consumed by iAutomate. 3. Data synchronization and consistency. Data mapping. Ensure that the data fields between DRICE iAutomate and other systems are correctly mapped. Define the data formats, XML, JSON, etc., and conversion rules. Real-time versus batch processing. Depending on the process needs, decide if you need real-time data synchronization or periodic batch updates. Data validation. Implement data validation rules to ensure that the information being passed between systems is correct and does not cause errors downstream. 4. Orchestration and workflow design. Process orchestration. Design workflows within DRICE iAutomate that can seamlessly call and interact with external systems. This may involve automating tasks like service requests, incident management, order processing, etc. Error handling. Build robust error handling and retry mechanisms within the workflows to ensure system reliability and continuity during integration. 5. Security considerations. Authentication and authorization. Implement proper authentication methods, OAuth, SSO, etc., when integrating with enterprise systems to ensure secure access to data. Encryption. Ensure that sensitive data is encrypted both in transit and at rest. Access control. Define strict access control policies to limit which users or systems can trigger actions within integrated systems. 6. Change management and monitoring. Version control. Keep track of the versions of integrations and workflows to ensure compatibility and easy rollback in case of failures. Audit logging. Enable logging to monitor system interactions, track data changes, and troubleshoot any issues that arise during the integration process. Proactive monitoring. Use monitoring tools to ensure that the integrated systems and workflows are functioning correctly. This includes performance metrics, failure alerts, and notifications. 7. Testing and validation. End-to-end testing. Conduct comprehensive testing, including functional, integration, and performance tests to ensure that all systems are working together as expected. User acceptance testing, UAT, involve end users to validate that the integration meets their needs and does not disrupt their daily tasks. Security and compliance in DRISE iAutomate, ensuring safe and regulatory compliant automation. Security and compliance in DRISE iAutomate, ensuring safe and regulatory compliant automation. DRISE iAutomate, a comprehensive intelligent automation platform, offers robust security and compliance features that ensure the safe and regulatory compliant deployment of automation processes. Below are the key aspects of security and compliance in DRISE iAutomate. 1. Data security. Encryption. All data, whether in transit or at rest, is encrypted using industry-standard encryption protocols, ensuring that sensitive information is protected from unauthorized access. Access control. Role-based access control, RBAC, is enforced, limiting access to data and automation tasks based on user roles. This minimizes the risk of unauthorized access and ensures that only authorized personnel can modify or view automation configurations. 2. Authentication and authorization. Multi-factor authentication. MFA iAutomate supports MFA to enhance security by requiring more than one method of authentication, reducing the chances of unauthorized login attempts. Single sign-on, SSO integration with enterprise SSO solutions streamlines the authentication process while maintaining security across all integrated systems. Audit logs. Detailed logs track user activities within the platform, allowing for continuous monitoring and quick identification of any unauthorized access or malicious activity. 3. Regulatory compliance. GDPR and data privacy. DRISE iAutomate complies with data privacy regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. The platform provides tools for data masking and anonymization to protect personal information. Industry-specific standards. iAutomate can be configured to meet industry-specific standards such as HIPAA, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, for healthcare, and PCI DSS, Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, for financial sectors, ensuring that automated processes align with sector-specific regulatory requirements. Compliance audits. The platform offers tools to generate compliance reports, making it easier to demonstrate adherence to regulatory requirements during audits. 4. Security vulnerability management. Patch management. Regular updates and patches are provided to address known vulnerabilities and improve the security of the platform. Vulnerability scanning. Automated security scans ensure that the platform and its components remain secure against emerging threats and vulnerabilities. Secure Development Life Cycle. DRISE iAutomate follows a Secure Development Life Cycle, SDLC, to mitigate risks during software development and deployment, ensuring that security is considered at every stage of the process. 5. Automation governance and risk management. Automation governance framework. iAutomate supports the creation of governance policies to ensure that automation tasks comply with both internal policies and external regulatory requirements. This includes defining workflows that adhere to best practices and compliance guidelines. Risk assessments. The platform includes features for performing risk assessments on automation processes, identifying potential risks and mitigating them before automation tasks are implemented. 6. Third-party integrations and security. Secure APIs. DRICE iAutomate provides secure APIs for integration with third-party systems, ensuring that data exchange between platforms occurs within a secure framework. Why choose ProExcellency for DRICE iAutomate online training? ProExcellency is a strong choice for DRICE iAutomate online training for several reasons. Expert trainers. ProExcellency often employs industry experts with practical experience, ensuring that learners get insights that are both theoretical and applicable to real-world scenarios. Comprehensive curriculum. The training program typically covers all essential aspects of DRICE iAutomate, including its features, functionality, and best practices. This thorough curriculum helps individuals or teams master the platform effectively. Interactive learning. The online format is designed to be engaging, incorporating a mix of videos, quizzes, and hands-on exercises to reinforce learning and ensure a deep understanding of DRICE iAutomate. Flexible learning. With online training, you can learn at your own pace and on your own schedule, which is particularly beneficial for professionals who have busy work schedules. Post-training support. ProExcellency usually offers support after the training to help with any queries or challenges you may face while applying DRICE iAutomate in real projects. This continued assistance ensures long-term success in using the tool. Certifications. Completing training with ProExcellency often results in a certification, which can enhance your resume and help you demonstrate your expertise in DRICE iAutomate to employers or clients. Proven track record. ProExcellency is known for its successful track record in training individuals and teams in various IT platforms, making it a trusted provider for DRICE iAutomate training. Thank you.